Okay guys, how are you doing? Good. I hope you are also good. Okay, today I'm going to show you how I wash and sanitize my fruits that I buy from the market. Today I went and bought some fruits and some groceries, part of my groceries for the whole month. This one will take me a whole month, but the fruits I'll have to buy because they won't last a month. I just bought for a week, and then I'll go back and buy some other fruits. The only thing that I don't, the only groceries that I don't.
I meant vegetables, not groceries. Please note that.
That I don't sanitize. I'm trying to position myself so that you can see me better. Okay, the only groceries that I don't sanitize is the onions and the garlic. The other ones I wash and sanitize. So let's get into the sink.
Now you see this right here. This is white vinegar, and this should be your best friend because it is a multi-purpose. It does everything in the kitchen. So I prefer having it in large amounts, and it isn't even that expensive. You can get this in your local supermarket. Probably in the description box I might leave a link where you can buy this, and this is the best for killing those germs that are on your vegetables and groceries, fruits, and you also clean the fridge with this one. It takes away the smell in the fridge. And yes, okay, I'm going to collect some water. I need to collect some water that I'll set aside. Now this water, I'll use it to rinse the fruits and the groceries, and I'm going to add 2 cups of vinegar, so that when I rinse off those germs that didn't get out while I'm washing the first time. So after doing a couple of rinses, I'm going to add another 1 cup of vinegar, so that probably the other one has the potency has gone low, and that is why I'm adding some more, since I have a lot to wash. I'm going to wash is the ginger. The last thing I'm going to wash is the ginger, and I'm not going to wash it. I'm not going to wash it directly on the sink because it has a lot of soil, and I don't want to clog. I don't want to clog the sink, so I'm going to use a basin to do the washing. Okay, now with the ginger, I'm not going to use this washcloth. Instead, I'm going to use a brush. This brush is specifically for the kitchen, so I'm not using this for the laundry, and I bought it specifically for the ginger. So I'm going to separate it like this, because you see we have some dirt. Yeah, we have some dirt in between. I'm going to wash that, remove all the dirt. So I'm going to show you how I clean these bananas. I have the purple here, and so I'm going to first do this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to separate this. From right here, and this one here. See, this is how I want them. Separate it like this. So that it becomes easier. It becomes easier to wash them. Now you see this, I don't want them open like this. See this, I don't want them like this. I want them like this. So this one I'll put it aside. So while separating them, you have to be careful so you don't even separate them in the wrong way. Now once they are separated like this, it's easier to wash. So I'm going to clean like the rest of the previous groceries I did. I'm going to clean and then rinse. Now this one I'm not going to scrub. I'm just washing it with my hand like this. Now this is the end of how I wash and sanitize my vegetables. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down below. Let's engage. Bye.